No, it's something called hay fever. I just talked to someone about Stop it! You're such a hay fever.
Oh, good boy. You made me happy.
I always make you happy.
Cookie good.
What? I walk as slow as I can.
Yeah.
If you recorded it, still at the end.
Oh.
You're not in it.
No, you're not in it. No, you are. They're in it now.
Excuse me.
Excuse me. He's just moved.
I'm so lucky you didn't look at me, Dad. Oh, Jesus.
There's another one coming. Oh my god. Alright.
Is the squirrel's gone?
No, they're not.
Damn it, it's the cops.
It's a cop.